Hey guys, so to start I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare, and I'm gonna use a hydrating mask. I got this mask from a trip that I went on with Kiss. I'll leave all the details down below if you want to know, but it's just a really hydrating, really moisturizing mask, which I need because my skin is so dehydrated. So I'm gonna put that all over my face and let it sit whilst I'm cleaning. So to start, I'm using a bit of Flash. It is kitchen Flash, but it works just the same. So I'm starting off by cleaning my vanity area, and this is the main focus of the cleaning today because I just needed a change. You know, when you're just like so bored of like seeing the same thing, I just wanted to switch it up just a little bit, just to, you know, ease my mind a bit, because cleaning does help with just your mental state. So I just wanted a new scenery. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by wiping down the surface, and I'm using a fiber cloth to do this, which is really good because it grips the dirt really well and the dust really well. And then I'm going to get this I got this sticker from Wilko. If you're in the UK, it used to be Wilkerson, but it's called Wilko now. But I got the sticker of Wilko because I wanted like a marble effect on my table, and this is like the easiest way to do it. By the way, the vanity table that I have is I think it's called the I can't remember. I will leave it down below. It's from IKEA. Like literally everyone has it. Is it just me or mine? The drawer mine doesn't pull out all the way. Let me know if you have the table and your drawer pulls out. Anyway, so I'm going to start by measuring out the sticker. And once I've measured it out, I'm going to cut off the excess. And what I'm going to do is it's a one-man job. You don't really need two people to do it, but it'll be a lot easier if you had two people, because I did struggle just a tad. The instructions just tell you to use some kind of like scrapey thing, but I don't have it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to improvise. I'm going to get like a mirror, like a hand mirror, and this basically just takes out all the air bubbles as you're placing the sticker on. It's very sticky, so it's a sticky job, babe, so you want to take your time.
I tried to write something different inside this notepad. Wish I could delete these memories like a program. Once
that's all stuck on, I'm gonna like try and take out a little bit more of the air bubbles and stick the edges on as well.
I feel a change in these last couple conversations, like maybe you want to be here and it's making me impatient.
Okay, so that's all done. Just like that, you have a marble worktop, which is really cool. So I'm going to put my mirror back on. If you're wondering where my mirror is from, I'll leave all the details down below. I have a video like literally talking about this mirror a lot on my channel, so if you haven't seen that, I'll leave it in the cards here. It's my room tour, in case you want to see like what my whole room looks like. So I'm just rearranging my brushes and rearranging my table to make it all pretty. So yeah, if you want more detail on like where I got everything from, as I said, the link to my room tour would be in the cards and in the description box. But this is what the after looks like. I was really pleased with it. It's like a slight change, but a slight change can just change like your mindset. It sounds crazy, but I really loved how it came out.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to light a few candles. I didn't have a lighter, so I just used like a piece of paper that I wrapped up, which is really dangerous, guys. Don't do that at home. But I didn't have a lighter, so I had to improvise again. So I'm just lighting up my candles. This black candle that you see here is actually the NARS Manoi candle. It smells divine, especially for like winter time. Very autumnal.
Scoping out the girls in the hallway. Fast for the present, now we getting cake. I'm inside another world, trying to find me another girl, cause I feel the last one was from the underworld. Ain't no dissing, but I was missing something. Said you dealing with it, but you ain't never mentioned nothing. I'm inside it, you mean to tell me you ain't feeling nothing?
And this is what everything looks like in the nighttime when it's all lit up. It looks so pretty.
Late night phone conversations begging you.
Okay, so next I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea, because you can't have autumn without a freaking cup of tea, girl. Like, what are you doing? So this is the Carmen, I think it's called the Carmen tea, just by Twinings, nothing special. I got this really cute mug from New Look. New Look have the best like homeware stuff, not the best, but like they have really cute homeware stuff for like a reasonable price. So I'm gonna have my cup of tea and relax in bed. It was so cozy. So here I am just sipping on my tea and just relaxing and checking my phone. The tea was actually really hot. I was waiting for it to cool down a little bit. But yeah, I'm just checking on my phone, on Instagram, scrolling. And then I'm gonna take my face mask off.
I tried to write something different.
So it's been about 45 minutes. I'm gonna take my face mask off and then I'm gonna work the extra juices into my skin. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you thought, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys.
Maybe you wanna be here and it's making me impatient, but still, I told myself as a man, you fighting for what you want. Give her space, it's no reason for you to try to rush.